The African civet, with its striking markings and nocturnal habits, moves silently through the night. Their presence is a reminder that the rainforest's magic never truly sleeps. The Central African rock python, a symbol of ancient power and mystery, coils in the shadows. Their existence is a testament to the untamed forces that shape this land. The African tree toad, with its delicate form and melodious chorus, finds refuge in the canopy above. Their song echoes through the treetops, a reminder of the hidden life above our heads.